How to cancel your Disney Hotstar subscription. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how you can cancel your Disney Hotstar subscription. Well, unfortunately I'm unable to show it to you by doing it myself because the Disney Hotstar is itself unavailable in my region. However, I can show you here thanks to this website giznext.com. So how you can cancel it? First things first, what you'll have to know is in order to cancel your subscription, you'll have to head into your browser, whether on your phone or your PC. You wanna head into hotstar.com in your web browser's address bar. Then you wanna log into your account. Once you're logged in, you wanna go to the subscription page. So as you can see here, you can do this by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page and selecting My Account. So you wanna click. Once you're logged in, you want to click on your profile picture at the top right corner, and then you want to select the option that says My Account from the drop down menu. On the My Account page, click on the Subscriptions tab. Once on the subscription page, you will see the details of your subscription. To cancel your subscription, click on the Cancel Subscription button and then follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. After you cancel your subscription, Hotstar will ask you to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully before confirming the cancellation. Once you confirm the cancellation, your Hotstar subscription will be terminated and you will no longer be charged any further. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.